Hey, have you seen the movie Memento, which was released in 2000? Christopher Nolan's first one. It's genius. The way it's structured backwards is wild. Totally. The suspense is killing. Guy Pearce is amazing as Leonard. His performance is amazing. The black and white scenes are so cool. The cinematography is stunning. And the theme of memory. It's so deep. It's like, what's real? And the twist at the end is mind blown. Memento's one of those movies that makes you think. Yeah, it's one of those films that gets better each time. Leonard's condition was so tragic and scary. Th film explores the memory and identity. How we define ourselves, revenge and obsession. The cost of fixation, reality and perception. What's true? Truth vs lies. A dark, thought-provoking dive into the human psyche. The story of Memento is a puzzle box that opens from both ends. To understand Leonard Shelby, you have to understand his world. It is a world that resets every few minutes. Leonard suffers from anterograde amnesia following a home invasion where his wife was murdered. He can remember everything up until the night of the attack, but he cannot form new memories. To function, he has turned his body into a living notebook, covering his skin in tattoos of facts, and carrying a Polaroid camera to identify the people he meets. The color sequence scenes move backward in time. Each scene starts where the next one ends, forcing the audience to feel Leonard's confusion. You know what he's doing, but you don't know why. The black and white sequence scenes show Leonard in a motel room, talking on the phone to an unknown caller about a man named Sammy Jankis, a fellow amnesiac who Leonard believes failed to survive his condition because he lacked a system. Leonard's system is dedicated to one goal: that finding and killing John G., the man he believes raped and murdered his wife. He is aided by two people he doesn't trust: Teddy, a man who claims to be a friend but seems to be manipulating Leonard for money or sport. Natalie, a barmaid who uses Leonard's condition to get rid of a local mobster, taking advantage of the fact that Leonard will forget her bruises and her insults within minutes. The movie builds toward the moment where the black and white and color sequences meet. Leonard finally tracks down a man he believes is John G. and kills him in an abandoned building. Teddy arrives and drops a bombshell: Leonard has already killed the real John G. over a year ago. In fact, Teddy has been helping Leonard hunt down new John G's ever since, just to give Leonard a sense of purpose. The most devastating revelation isn't about Teddy, but about Sammy Jankis. Teddy reveals that the story of Sammy Jankis, the man who accidentally killed his diabetic wife with insulin overdose is because he couldn't remember the last shot, is actually Leonard's own story. Leonard's wife survived the initial attack, but died because of Leonard's condition. Leonard has pushed his own memory onto a fictional person, Sammy, to escape the guilt. In a moment of cold, conscious choice, Leonard decides he doesn't want to believe Teddy. He writes a note to his future self on a Polaroid of Teddy: "Don't believe his lies." He then notes Teddy's license plate number as a lead for his future self to follow. The film ends chronologically where it began cinematically. Leonard pulls away in his car, closing the loop on a self-made lie that allows him to remain a hero in a story he will never finish. Guy Pearce's performance is mind-blowing, and the cinematography is stunning. The movie's a puzzle that keeps you guessing till the end. The peak scene in Memento is when Guy Pearce discovers the truth about himself. In a haunting flashback, Leonard's seen remembering his wife's death. The twist: he's killed his wife and created a false narrative to cope with guilt. This scene's the film's emotional core. The reveal changes everything. The cinematography heightens the intensity. Here are some of the best dialogue scenes in Memento are "So You Know" by Leonard's Guy Pearce intense conversation with Teddy reveals the truth. "You Don't Want the Truth" by Leonard's tense exchange with Teddy shows his obsession. "I'm the Guy Who Killed Your Wife" by Leonard's haunting admission exposes his guilt. "You Don't Know" by Leonard's confusing conversation with Natalie highlights his struggle. You Think You Want the Truth, by Teddy's unsettling warning to Leonard adds to the mystery. Memento has some positives. Unique storytelling, reverse chronological structures innovative. Gripping suspense that keeps you hooked till the end. Guy Pearce's performance was nuanced acting. Themes explores memory, identity, and obsession. Cinematography was stunning black and white visuals. Christopher Nolan established as a master director. A dark, thought-provoking thriller that'll keep you guessing. Memento is a psychological thriller. It's a dark, mind-bending puzzle box of a film with a unique reverse chronological structure. Perfect if you like mystery, suspense, and brain-twisting stories.